welcome to my channel. And today we are learning about introduction to JavaScript and its fundamentals. So let us dive into the topic. So initially, first we have to learn about what is meant by JavaScript. JavaScript is usually a powerful scripting language that brings interactivity to our web pages. It runs directly in your web browser, ensuring fast and seamless user experiences. And it also adds support the animations, form validations, and real-time content updates. So we have many subtopics in JavaScript. So first of all, we are going to learn about the variables. So actually, variables are like labeled boxes where you can store information such as numbers, text, or even more complex data structures. Actually, there are two types of declaring them. One is let, in which we have shown first example. Let greeting is equal to hello world. Here hello world is a string, so it is enclosed in the double quotes. In second example, uh, we are storing the value of 3.14 in uh, 5. So it is constant and which it cannot be changed. So if we use the keyword called const. Next coming to arrays. Arrays are actually powerful data structures that allow you to manage collections of related items essentially. An array is an ordered list of items, meaning each item has a specific position. Uh, each usually array store multiple values of any data type in a single variable, keeping your code organized and readable. So let us look some few examples of arrays. In this, we declared let for the movies variable, and in that array we have stored Inception, the Matrix, Interstellar. These are three strings we have stored in this array movies. So how we can access arrays? So the first movie Inception can be used, or we can access by using array and it index number. So Inception uh, index number is 0. So in second this one we have used the number 0. So the output is Inception. So if you want to add another string to the existing uh, array, we have to use this actually push array name dot push, and in that brackets we have to keep which uh, string or value or a specific number we want to add into that array. So next is functions. Functions are nothing but the reusable blocks of code. Functions are workhorses of JavaScript. Functions are set of instructions that you can run again and again, perform specific tasks on demand. They help your code organized by breaking it into smaller, manageable pieces and prevent repetition. So let us look at an example of function. Here we declared a function of greet user. The name is a parameter. We have written a hello plus name which we are going to give, which we are going to pass in this function and exclamation mark. So in this uh, later that function we have used uh, we have stored Praneet in welcome message. So now console.log welcome message. So it will print the this value stored in welcome message. So what is the value stored in welcome message? It is nothing but a great user. Right. So when we given Praneet to this function, it goes into this and it will print hello as usually. In place of name, it adds Praneet and exclamatory mark counts. It is usually a string concatenation. Next up, going to discuss about the object. So What are the objects actually mean? Objects are fundamental for modeling real-world entities in your code. Objects group related data and functions together using key-value pairs, where each key is a unique identifier for a piece of data. They are excellent for modeling real-world things like a laptop or a person, allowing you to describe their attributes and behaviors. So, how to access the data present in the objects? Access data within an object using dot notion. For example, we can access the information present in the function object laptop by using laptop dot print. So it will print the del as our output. So next up, moving to the topic loops. What are loops actually? Loops allow you to run same code in multiple times. Actually, loops there are many loops are there. Like example for loop, while loop. So we are discussing about the for loop in this actually, and two types of for loops. So for loop is a great for when you know exactly how many times to repeat an action, such as counting number from 1 to 10. So let us see an example for loop. In this we have written a code for loop and uh, see this example and observe the for loop. And next another type is for of loop is a perfect for iterating through each item in an array or other iterable of collections, making it easier to process list. So in this we have in these examples we have used for loop. So what are the key concepts we have covered in this video are variables. Variables are nothing but data storing boxes, and we have discussed about let, which use it for changeable values, and const for fixed values. And next thing is arrays. Arrays store order lists of data which are placed in square brackets, and we know that we have access that by its index. And next is functions. Functions are nothing but we use a block of code. We use it to prevent the repetition, to make the code more efficient and less code. Uh, Next thing is objects. Objects group related data in key value pairs using curly braces. Next, the last topic we have discussed is loops. Loops uh, repeat code efficiently using for or and for of loops. These are the main building blocks for writing any JavaScript application that we are going to learn in this course. So, thank you. If you have any questions, you can post it in my channel so I can answer answer your questions. Thank you.